Pull-ups and chin-ups, two of the most powerful exercises for building a strong, athletic upper body. They sculpt your arms, shoulders, core, and back, using nothing but your body weight and gravity. But here's what most people don't realize. Even though they look almost identical, one small difference, your grip, completely changes how your muscles work, how your body grows, and even how strong you become. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know. The key differences between pull-ups and chin-ups, which muscles each one targets, and most importantly, which one gives you more strength, size, and real-world performance. So if you've ever wondered which exercise truly builds a bigger, stronger upper body, this is your answer. Stick around till the end because what the science says might surprise you. And before we dive in, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more no-nonsense breakdowns that help you train smarter and get results faster. Let's jump in. Overview. Both pull-ups and chin-ups use the same basic movement pattern. You're pulling your body weight up to the bar. That means both exercises hit many of the same major muscle groups: your back, shoulders, core, and back, using nothing but your body weight and gravity. But here's what most people don't realize. Even though they look almost identical, one small difference, your grip, completely changes how your muscles work, how your body grows, and even how strong you become. Chin-up focus. When you do a chin-up, your palms face towards you. That's a supine grip. This position activates more of your anterior chain, the front side of your body, especially your biceps and chest. Research published in the Sciences of Sport shows that chin-ups heavily recruit your biceps, pectoralis major, latissimus dorsi, teres major, posterior deltoids, and deep core stabilizers, among many other supporting muscles. Pull-up focus. Now, when you switch to a pull-up, your palms face away from you. That subtle change shifts the emphasis to your posterior chain, the muscles on the back side of your body. Pull-ups target the same areas, but they hit your lower trapezius harder, a crucial muscle that supports your scapula and improves shoulder stability. EMG studies and strength differences. EMG research shows some clear differences in activation. Chin-ups work your biceps about 52% harder, while pull-ups activate your lats about 14% more. But only if you're doing a single bodyweight rep. Of course, that's not how we train for muscle growth. When training close to failure, whether with bodyweight or added weight, you'll find that chin-ups allow for more reps and heavier loads because your biceps help more during the lift. This means chin-ups spread the work more evenly between the lats and biceps, while pull-ups isolate the lats a bit more. Range of motion and purpose. A study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that chin-ups use about 8 degrees more range of motion at the elbows compared to pull-ups, making them even better for building bigger, stronger biceps. So, chin-ups are technically the bigger compound lift, but that doesn't mean pull-ups are less useful. If you're already fatigued, or you want to emphasize your lats more directly, pull-ups are perfect. They're lighter, less taxing, and they push your lats closer to failure without overworking the biceps. Variety and comfort options. Here's something most people don't realize. You don't need to stick to a straight bar. If regular pull-ups or chin-ups feel uncomfortable on your elbows or wrists, try using angled bars or gymnastic rings. These let your hands move more naturally, which takes pressure off your joints while keeping your muscles fully engaged. It's a simple adjustment that makes a big difference. Which is better? So, which one is better? If you could only pick one, chin-ups are the better all-around muscle-building exercise. They're easier to load heavier, allow more range of motion, and engage more total muscle. But here's the truth. Both chin-ups and pull-ups deserve a place in your training routine. Each has unique benefits, and combining them gives you the best of both worlds: stronger lats, thicker arms, and a balanced, functional upper body. So the next time you grab that pull-up bar, don't think either or. Both movements have their place, and together they're the ultimate combo for a stronger and more defined upper body. Use pull-ups to build that wide, powerful back. Use chin-ups to pack on bicep and core strength. Master both, and you'll unlock real balanced power from every angle. Remember, it's not about doing more exercises, it's about doing the right ones with purpose and consistency. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to level up their training. It helps more than you think and keeps videos like this coming your way. Stay disciplined, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.